Hey there, my name is Mark Newman-Kuzel. I'm President, CEO of Made in USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean new grout. Obviously, you're not going to have a lot of dirt if it's new grout, so I'm going to use a environmentally friendly, non-abrasive product like Clorox Greenworks. It works. Don't need to put too much pressure into any of this because it's new and hopefully you're clean. I am going to use my toothbrush though, just to get in there to get any loose byproducts out of the way. Back and forth, a couple short strokes. Take my sponge, wipe that up. Paper towel, fold it over. We want to use our paper towels as much as we can so we can help protect the environment, not waste paper. And hard to believe, brand new can look even more brand new. Mark Newman-Kuzel, Made in USA, and that's how you clean new grout.